Sea Riders. Tonight's episode, we're gonna draw a tapu bulu from Pokemon Sun and Moon Ultra Adventures. That's right, viewers. And tapu bulu is more than just one. In this saga, we're gonna draw all the Island Guardians. And you want to know why I'm drawing tapu bulu first? Well, one of the reasons is that tapu bulu is one of my favorite Island Guardians. Plus, he helps Lycanroc master his power. There we go. One of Tapu Bulu's signature attacks is Nature's Madness. All the Island Guardians have that special ability. Alexa.
Here's Boots Scootin' Boogie by Brooks and Dunn on Amazon Music.
Alexa, what is a rodeo?
According to Wikipedia, rodeo is a competitive equestrian sport that arose out of the working practices of cattle herding in Spain and Mexico, expanding throughout the Americas and to other nations. It was based on the skills required of the working vaqueros and later, cowboys, in what today is the western United States, western Canada, and northern Mexico.
I got a good job, I work hard for my money. When it's quitting time, I kick the door money. I fire up my pickup truck and let the horses run.
Known fact about tapu bulu, it destroyed a supermarket it didn't like. And destroyed it with its own sheer horns. Another thing, he's got this bell-shaped object that it's part of its system. Lastly, we draw tapu bulu's This is one of tapu bulu's hooves. Island Guardians are really powerful. They even have their own signature Z move, otherwise known as Guardian of Alola. That's awesome, right? I've always wanted to see that move. And well, I'll explain how to get that Z move real soon. And done. There he is, folks. That's how you draw Tapu Bulu, one of my favorite Island Guardians. If you want to find out more how to draw characters like this, please leave a comment below on which legendary Pokemon you have interest in and which one you want me to draw next. It can create sounds with its tail to let others know where it is avoiding unneeded conflicts. This guardian deity of Ula Ula controls plants. Anyways, I'll Stegosaurus. See you later.